mo akwa ba bi mra Adom TV Badwam dwumade no eso ya direct se du body ase na fe health tips so a ye de ebra mo de du so no e ya Ahosepe na me ginam de ama sister Sunday bi oye guy ye ba be sepe ye ho ye be sepe ye ho kakra na ye nigye dwumade de na so asam na me de ba no na nhada nya nigye service awari guo ne awari jaye ne sa ne mane de unze enye fan ka ba bia nko mo adri ware be 15 years ni tinka celebration ka nche 5 years abeka ho na wanya 20 years na is a 20th anniversary fekeke why na me kana semu eye Ahosepe oh dum tuni sa o kai no there is obenya ne nyum bia popular bia bre ko no na wa ball de amaye na nansen aha ma menka wo ne nyum ba ko me kai wo dia behu be me bia sorry a o peveje lenso ye ede lenso grai ma kro ya na mo mama no nyini patiri ko to sa o kai sa Ahosepe on the boss anyum no wo be bia peveje so man kro yi nyini na why no word on the boss anyum no na say na warrior no aye bibie wo ho na wo mo ko social media so ne yire no ne ade nti okokopie mu kura wo court se nke bia obenya ne mane ade na so court ni ehwehwe mu no na je se wo se de enkura no ema oba no emum eno na aye banta wo social no eso na de enkotie de Ahosepe ne yire no aka yenkomra sese
times accused of preventing him to be in the children's life. But as a father, I would want you to take them to football for me because I work full time. I have to take each one of them. They go to 3 different schools now. I need to go pick them up. I need to take them to
so near Masabe ye benya Ahosepe ne yire ne de no na fe ye de no be ma no so de aba na mame nko me amenia ba Sally wono de ba entertainment ni mu a wodam osore na ubusa na sembia fa industry ni mu asem o de be ma Saliman wa homa no eso sa story o ma ware mu nsem no nim kakra ti mene ne di nkomo ba pa no pe ye mu ache Sally anope ye mu ache
oh
yada se na bibia boko de
boko na so e
oh nyankopon Adom ya to nkan de enim se bibia so eye fine na nke de ye nka bi nshem ka 15 years de nka nyame Adom wo ma cross challenges ni nyina nka de adru de celebration na jubilation na ade na so de ye tete wo social no so ne Ahosepe ne yire menteme ho ase akopie mu court asam ne yeso ni mu pa wadaroma boye nchemu kakra e ba ne say
I think the little that I can say from that is say I've known Ahosepe for like almost 17 years now, and I know the character. And when the issue started, I decided to go into it and speak to both parties because because of Ahosepe, I got to know Neireno Ekakra. Now I feel say obia enyini wo abrabomwa. You can be decent, but at a point, ebi eniama bi betimi akọ. Edi na betimi akoboni. Reggie ye nyina yetna ha ye ni mu industry we mo no. It's a calm. He's a serious gentleman. Or a gentleman pa. Now, if we can recall, about 3 years ini. Ana Reggie elusi ne maame. Na ye be Ahosepe de ye nim say Reggie ne maame anti sisi de. Enya agro kra. Wana ba me so awo no ba ko pe. Ti maame ne ko yie. Wakra ne ba ne se wo ko aba. Odi ne ba na kasa in the next 35 to 40 minutes. Ya friend is sending maame ewu. Na yes. And in fact, Reggie Ayenimuno was actually losing his mind. And see, I'm not saying he said entirely, didn't have a challenge. He had a challenge, but a challenge, was understandable. It was some of us are been our real was expecting to say Anka or Badia who could not for so many years. Almost 10 years, all the success is much okay any idea. But on your slip up that Nima near free on the penny mamma. What you say? And of the Kushansa Mamini do and anybody will not forget. And a lot of people do not understand. They say people react differently to situations. Me, I'm saying, hey, beer and go for my see say I'm very hard. But I be a losing my mom. People will see some because I am super close to my mom. Every single woman I'm a beer and the mammy craft and I'm my see. To the just imagine say. But the mommy in the next 30 minutes, nobody will be okay. And so what I expected really to do, they say, as a virtuous woman, Bible, a portrait, Proverbs chapter 31, verse 10. This is the time as the woman with difficulty more. You don't pin the person down. That is my only challenge. That's why I have decided to say anything that woman says, I will have the truth come out also.
And it's sorry. I'm running shantino, no crap, a dear pa, a day our giant buyer, no matter new one or banana supportive and answer day.
Yes, I never done a wono. Never done a woo, or be our brand Reggie Pia can attest to this say. He wasn't for almost like 2 years. Reggie wasn't the person that we knew him to be.
And to say, Obana Dian or and I can't be a warrior. No, I
don't know on the downside and only a challenge and a brand man, and Muna, what you have Obana person say, or Regino, or no Obana and Bofran, so you're Reggie family. And see, what for morning so much about the mom. What you have said because no man they will call, that's what nothing. But I think says Obi a daily and also go through griever. You let the person grieve through it. You let the person go through all the emotions. That is how some people grieve and heal. If you can't force a person when you see such an important figure in life to be on the right track, we are all different.
And you know, Sally, when you say no problem, you are what that maybe a way about home. And I
problem. That's what I'm saying. Is she should stop with the hypocrisy.
Nampacho, dear, may said that who yente, ye dear, but ya me director say, me and he said, well, the echo swing in a mono or banner mom tender. Was social so media grobia make fan warriors some the mum Regina mum na day a basso and they want to about Biano who say Anke Bia come ye ni fear adia Anka problem be any actually.
So what's a middle Casano? I told you say the Reggie that I know has always been a quiet person. And I won't come in send the brain. But this is one of the griever. It took over him. Okay, I say it took over him. He posting now was very emotional post. Me, I am not saying say Reggie didn't have a problem. What I'm saying is say, one within a womb, but family and son, one not slip of beer on the life. Reggie has been an outstanding husband, a father to Wumofrano. It is a new man, let's say, a beer, a new man, to say, we expect a mere say. Or God now put the Kunama and what's the child holding you down? Any arrest. You call police on him at random. You stand your money in the girl, creativity behind the scenes. And I already need a deal of doing a better because I will change them. You look at vessels for you have more and more opportunity. So much to say. And you come here, my corner, you weaker vessel. It was really down behind. Hello. Therefore, the explain to social media. Said the is it the best way? Absolutely not. But that is his way of venting.
Hey, Sally, my main cabby. It's the idea, my say why a judgment. That's why I could jump one side. And I'm here, Mammy, also Barno.
I know the story, and I'm not being judgmental.
Oh, dear, see me. I'm not being judgmental. See or Barno side of the story. And I won't know because we name Reggie and in a calmness. And they were when ye ain't nice, well, hurry. Aqua jina baby, would you say, but I've been sure. so wo nya brand so tie wo ba ne side nso a ke be hu omo mienu ni nyina because for you know e be say that ade bia ya ayi bia ke betumi atena say
you be o try me say me fa oba ne nkasada me fa regin nkasada
nti wo no oba ne kasaya no ono no side ne na ye de say
me kabi I'm not that type of person so we need
tie oba no de ono ne kasaya ono oba ne kasaya
both sides of the story.
That's
why I'm boldly saying, the girl should stop because the hypocrisy is too much.
Mate.
You kill the person, you gaslight the person, you have a girl yourself away.
Mate. Sally, I'm fancy her. Now, you best have to also brace some water. My that's no brand water. Dear, with the mind. Sally, man, you're telling Canojum to me, Reggie. And our moon, some cacra with him, and when you didn't come away. Na yentie de Reggie wife no eka ye na da social no so yentie bi emba.
Why are you not giving him access to his kids?
The question is, what do you mean by giving access to the children?
He wants to see them. He wants to have time with them.
Have you, behind the scene, called, sent a text, emailed, or made any effort?
He hasn't?
He hasn't.
He hasn't called you at all to speak to you?
He hasn't. I have been many times accused of preventing him to be in the children's life. But as a father, I would want you to take them to football for me because I work full time. I have to take each one of them. They go to 3 different schools now. I need to go pick them up. I need to take them to football training and they go to different footballs. I need to take them to their matches. And then on the financial side, that has been a battle as well. So myself and the children don't have a privacy, don't have a life because everywhere we walk, people know. I once took my son to a football match in London and a parent from the opponent team just walked to me and said, I've seen this about your relationship. So you can imagine how it felt. Everywhere you go, someone is asking you about it. It's difficult for me as a parent. Can you imagine my children when they go to school or people asking?
Yada sentino Reggie na yire no na yetene na wo hwese de nkomo ne obande we okasa kura na senya gidigidi bia sa o aso relax am nkomo no kura na sali dia no ano wow enti utimu se nke ye boko na wo de obai kasa wieye no Reggie so eba social no so enti ne de
I'm making this video because many other people who have reached out to me over the past 1 week because my ex-wife and mother of my only 3 kids has decided to grant an interview and to expose me. I don't know what that expose is about and I'm very fine with it. But what I would say is to my ex-wife, I hope and pray that after this interview, you have closure, you know. It's been
aside and your cocotie, you know. See, omanyine 15 years in marriage, omanyine, she say, you be any or one in him. You know, I asked some more. Rather be Muntraso, Munina, a nice person. Munina, Munya, hey, I'm gaze, good for you be, but oh, Boko, and dear, a wood here, ya the wet say, Peddy Sally came. So no ma make us the next whatever minute yes we would ye more ya so depression on me ade nyina bebem nti no e ho no wo ho but then I think say e bia na we de na anye we so de na anye but obi also on a point think e be hia say counselor bi bebem afutuo bi bekoso a na nka enkura ni nti say no a o enkura ni nti anka odo na sa atena ho odo we mananya adwuma what you say ya da say na ayi Jumtuni Badasame. Also, a campaign song with me. And the iron is will be added to him. Also, on a business and way. You could see your number.
after the party.